everybody, today's brief message is bringing through the codes of peace and harmony with Archangel Raguel and balance. These energies have been channeling into this angel tea light holder I've been creating. I'm creating a series of them at the same time as I am creating these transmissions with messages from the angels. So today's message is peace and harmony and balance. I've really felt this very strongly coming up in my world as I've been bringing these codes in. So I'm going to read balance first. Thank you, angels, for bringing my life into balance. Take time to balance out your life. You're trying to be everywhere at once and you'll be feeling out of sync because of this. Take time for yourself is an important step, but also balance out your work schedule and home life. When you slow down and create a schedule, you'll feel as though you have more time. The angels know how busy you are and that you like to do as much as you can. They're here to guide you into balance out your life because they know how tired and drained you feel trying to complete all of the tasks you've set for yourself. It's important for you to know what balance is and how much you can do without overexerting yourself in any way. You have the ability to balance out your home, work, family and social life so that you can feel strong, healthy and empowered. And the peace and harmony card. A wave of harmony is being washed over your life right now. Please trust that the angels are here to help you resolve any conflicts that have been disturbing your inner peace at this time. Take time to surrender to God and the angels any concerns you have about any conflicts or arguments and allow them to lovingly guide you to peace. The angels are asking you to stand down from any conflicts that are going on in your life right now. Take a step back and allow the angels in so they can help restore the peace. They want you to know that they are aware of your challenges and the concerns you have, but until you trust them, nothing can change. Take heart. The angels of peace are here now, and they're encouraging you to let them bring the matter to a fair and peaceful conclusion. Just going to bring some light language through now. Bring all that together with the energies I've been bringing into the angel. Akatata tita katata tita kakatoto kokoko. Akatata tita tita kakatoto. Atatata atatata. Atatata tita kakatoto. Atatati tata tita kakakato. Akatati tati tatatato. Atatata tita kakatokoko. Akatata tata tita kakaka. So she's telling me she's got feathers in her hair as well. And love heart, and she's telling me that that represents both peace and balance. It's like light as a feather. When you're balancing the scales and you're light as a feather. Atatatati takakatotoko. Akatatati takakatotokokokokokoko. Atatatatata. Saying she brings unconditional love. Which is very powerful and loving force in creating peace and harmony, disarming people around you. When you attune to unconditional love, you naturally become much more compassionate and understanding of others around you, and that energy in turn affects people's responses and reactions to you. Atatati takaka. Atatati takaka to 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 atatatata. Atatatatata. Okay, they want to bring the energy of the selenite in. This helps you ground communication from the angels and spirit guides. Atatatati takakato to to kokokoko to 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 kokoto. Akatatati takakati takatati takakatata. Akatati tatati takakatato kokoko. Akatati tatati takakato to 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 atatata. Atatati takakati takakatoko. Akatata tita kakato kokoko akatatata akatata akatata tita kakato toko kokoko akatata tita kakatita kakato koko akatata tita tata tita tata tata tita kakaka akatati tata tita kakako koko akatati kakatita tata tita kakako to 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 akatata tita tata tita kakaka akatata tita kaka akatata tita tita kaka to 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 akatata tita tita koko 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 akatata 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 tita kaka to 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 akatata tita tita kaka to 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 akatata tita kaka to to koko 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 akatata ta 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 ta. So I'm also getting a message about releasing responsibility for others. Allow them to be empowered themselves and make their own decisions, knowing what's best in their own lives. It's about not trying to save others or feel you know better than others. Communicating effectively with them, enabling them to be fully informed about everything you know, and then giving them the space to come up with their own solutions and make their own choices that's true for them. And calling for the same for yourself, not looking to others to make your decisions, being empowered within yourself. What I noticed about this angel when her energy came through was that she's she's very peaceful, and not bothered by what's going on around her. She remains in her center and in her peace. However, she's empowered. She seemed more like a queen. She was taller and more independent and more sovereign than the other angels I've made so far. So she's more like a queen in the hierarchy than a princess. Atatati takakato totokokoto totokokoto atatatati takakata akatatati takakato toko akatatati takakatata akatatati takakatoko akatatati tatatati takakaka. Atatati takakato toko koko atatata. There's a really big release now, especially at the back of the throat, at the back of the zeal point, the third eye, and down the spine. Big relief of anything you've taken on from others, or any responsibility you've held for others, unconsciously or consciously. Atatati takaka. Atatati takato to 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 to. Akatatata atatata katata. Okay. That's grounding now. Peace, sovereignty, harmony, balance, love, releasing responsibility for others, replaced by compassion and understanding. And what it's giving that to yourself as well. And in giving that to yourself, you're setting the boundaries for how others treat you as well. So you are informing them to treat you with good communication, not taking responsibility for you, giving you all the information you need to make an informed decision, being in peace and harmony and sovereignty. Yeah, that's grounding. Down into the Earth Star Chakra. Atatati takakako. Atatati takakako. Yeah. The breath feels like it is imbued with trust, understanding, compassion, peace, harmony, and love. Blessings, everybody.